Hi, I'm Holly and I've had Carl as my online personal trainer for the last 2 months now. I would definitely say within the last 2 months, my fitness has improved so much more than it ever would have had if I'd just been working out by myself. I initially approached Carl because I've had on and off back pain for the last few years, and I was kind of just sick of trying out all these random exercises and nothing ever working. But as soon as Carl set my program up for me, within the first few weeks, I noticed a massive difference in my back pain and didn't notice any pain from all the exercises I was doing or any running. If there was any exercises where I felt some discomfort in my back, Carl would ask me to send over a clip of me doing the exercise, where he would then analyse it and let me know maybe things I should change to avoid the pain, which always works, so that was super helpful. The whole program is so exciting every day. Every day is different, so I always look forward to going to the gym and seeing what exercises I have to do. I do lots of running as well, so from that I've noticed my runs are so much faster. I can feel my abs and my glutes engage, and I just feel super strong after all my workouts and after all the runs. So I'm super happy with the progress I've had. I would definitely recommend Carl for any fitness or posture issues you have. He's definitely the best online personal trainer out there. Thank you.